With champagne wishes and caviar dreams, welcome to RVs of the rich and famous. At least it looks rich. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Welcome to the elegant, luxurious couples coach known as the Forest River Cedar Creek 395. Wow. This beauty is 14,800 pounds dry, 43 feet 2 inches of sheer opulence, where you could be rich and famous without having to be rich to own it. Highlighted by a rear kitchen that has everything you could imagine, more storage space than probably your home, a midship entertainment center with a few surprises, and a bedroom and bathroom that I think anyone is going to be happy to call their own. What do you say we start right back here in the rear kitchen? Now, I need to tell you something about the 395 Wow before we get started. There's a lot of wow in here, and there's a lot of features in here. I'm not going to be able to cover them all in this video. So if you have any questions about anything else you want to see, be sure to leave me some comments down below. But you're going to notice solid surface countertops all the way around, true wood and walnut accents, as well as bright and airy interiors. Now, we are full profile fifth wheel, and to me, this is a true couples coach, even though technically you could sleep 4 people. But right back here, dominating the rear wall, is your main kitchen area. Love the solid surface countertops with the undermounted sink. And of course, you do have all the accessories that Forest River is known for, from the drying racks to the vegetable washers, everything in between. You also have the spray. Let me see. Did it work? You got the little cup washer there, the high-rise faucet with the pull-down sprayer, and just take a look at the decorative touches that the Cedar Creek folks have put inside this wow. Wow is right. I got storage shelf here. I got day shades. I got night shades in every window. Plus, I got storage up there if you're Shaquille O'Neal and can reach it. Same thing with your cabinetry. Everything solid wood, decorative. I like how I have the bevel as well as the walnut finish inside my cabinets. I even like the bronze pulls that we have on everything. Hideaway hinges, magnet closes, but take a look at my drawers. Glazed, solid wood, full extension on drawer guides, LED underlights, and look at what you have underneath the sink. You got a little pull-out caddy, so if you got some cleaning supplies and hubby wants to clean the kitchen, bam, or hubby wants to clean the bathroom. You got one for each, or you can just set them out on the counter, put them in the bathroom, whatever you want. But that's not all. Take a look over on the camp side at the pantry storage that you have here. I like it because of the space, but I really like it because it's deceiving. Sure, I got the pull-out drawer here. Great. Looks good, right? Looks pretty big. Son, you don't even know the half of the space that you can store stuff in here. And I'll explain why this one's a little bit shorter once we get to the dining area. Decorative, solid, opulent, and beautiful. And then when you come over to the off-camp side, you're going to have an 18 cubic foot Furion fridge freezer combo that has not only the fresh air filter on it, but you got 2 freezer drawers, plenty of space, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But let me show you what else is gorgeous about this kitchen, because I'm just getting started. The thing that I love that they've done recently with couples coaches is they've given you some versatile eating space. Now, kitchen, big. Prep space, a lot. Let's make the prep space versatile. You got the solid surface island right here that doubles as a bar top with its own decorative plush cushion chairs and drawers. Storage over here with the little metal bars to keep things in place. But across from that, more storage and your cooking area. You got the oversized microwave, got the frosted glass in my storage here, strut supported above the microwave, and underneath, more drawers, plenty of space, and even a few little hidden accessories. Like, for example, you get this decorative bamboo cutting board with the hole in it that even has the grooves, the channels, if you will, because as you're cleaning, you're going to need a spot for all of that to fall, and that's going to be right there in your trash can. But Chris, we're also going to need a space for our trash bags. Okay, they thought of that too. Pretty sweet, right? More storage with more pull-out drawers. Just absolutely sweet all the way around. And to do all that fine cooking for me, because I am rich and famous, I prefer what's known as le popcorn. But you can do a nice little cooked meal on your 3-burner cooktop here or your oversized Furion 24-inch range. But that's not all, because you got even more storage underneath. Chris, we're a couple. What are we going to put in? I don't know. Bring everything. You got enough room for it. Now let's take a look at where we're going to enjoy those meals. Darling, the beloga is to die for. I got myself a little walnut table here with the extension because, like I mentioned, couples coach, which is versatile for more. I got a plush and comfortable bench seat over here, which if you have the kids or the dogs is great, but also serves as, yes, more storage space. And if you need a spot for your cutlery, why not make it close to the table, darling, so that we can easily access it when we're slicing our tilapia? The top drawer that we saw inside the Murphy pantry was a little bit shorter because when you're at the table, or if you make this an office space or a coffee station, like my buddy Ryan mentioned, you got to have a storage spot for that as well. So Cedar Creek is thinking not only of features that you can benefit from, but aesthetically pleasing as well. And I got to tell you, Nick, I know you're paying attention. Good job, my man. Very good job. LED sconces there. Solid wood valances. Love the walnut with the inlay. Plus, they gave me day and night shades. And I even have the Firefly light controls, meaning I can dim these anytime I want. Then after I eat, I can get back on my Thomas Paine recliners that are electric. Plus, I got USB charging. I got the 5-inch console with my cup holders there. And if I want to run out the awning, I don't have to even move from this spot other than to reach over and push this out. Pretty sweet, if you ask me. Or if you're getting ready to head outside and you don't want to go over to the command panel 3 feet away, you can just do it right there. But if I'm in the entertainment center, what's going to be entertaining me? Oh, wait till you see this. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at it. It's so tiny. It's like a little itty bitty fireplace. That's still about 4,000 BTUs of heat coming off of there. But more importantly, multi-flame, multicolor. It looks good. And look at your entertainment center. Sure, 50-inch oversized TV, the insignia. I got, once again, the walnut finishes here with my console shelf if I needed it. Looks pretty sweet, right? Pretty awesome. You want to see the real Murphy pantry? Yeah, I was holding out on you. A hidden hinge opens you up to the true Murphy pantry. This I love because I have multiple storage options, from the shelves right here with the bars, keeping everything secure, to the hideaway shelves, to the hooks right here, even the pull-out drawers, and then one that my buddy Ryan mentioned, absolutely awesome feature. HDMI connection is in the back of the door. What does that mean? Let me show you. So my TV is on a swivel. Yeah, I'm pulling that the door too. But what would you rather do? Get the cord from back there or get the cord right there? Very smart, very well thought of. And when you are sitting down watching your entertainment, you can move the TV to entertain the folks that are in the recliner, entertain the folks that are seated over here in your hide-a-bed sofa, which is also plush and comfortable, that has more solid surface countertops, 110, USB-C and A, plus, yep, more storage. I don't think Imelda Marcos could put all her shoes up in here. And of course, you also have the Cradle Point Wi-Fi in this. Why is that important? You got day one Wi-Fi connectivity built in. Love that. And the safest feature you're ever going to get on any RV, I don't care what RV you get, please, if you're getting one, get tire pressure monitoring. The fact that this one comes with it standard, very nice safety feature. So, good little things to have. Oh, and by the way, if you don't like the placement of these shelves, move them. They got the little notches, kind of like the stuff that you build from IKEA, where you have like 90 leftover things. It's right there. Okay, bathroom, bedroom. Let's go. Vegan, vegetable, vegan, Vega. It's called the Vega Touch. This is the command panel. Why am I stopping here? For 2 reasons. Number one, you do have a solar package that comes on with this. Now, you can either have the 200 or the 400 watt, depending on the one that you pick up. You can also upgrade it, obviously. But if you that package also comes with the corresponding lithium batteries. So having lithium batteries already on your coach, very nice feature. More importantly, very nice upgrade that's already built in. I got more storage here. I got my command center right here, which controls everything inside the coach. It's also a smart control panel. So if you scan this QR code, your cell phone can control everything within the coach. So if you're out fishing, you want to cut the AC on, bam, do it from your cell phone. More storage there. Plus, I can control my ceiling fan, which we're going to go ahead and cut off. Now, bathroom, right above our floating steps. Champagne wishes, caviar dreams all day. Okay, so I got solid surface double vanity right here with the cut-in sinks. Very nice little feature because it's not an inlay. It's not a piece of metal that's put inside the solid surface. It's cut out of the solid surface. What does that mean? Less chance of water getting under stuff you don't want it to get under, a lot easier to clean. So very nice to have. GFCI outlet, I got 3 spots for a medicine cabinet, towel hanger, 60K BTU tankless water heater. And I got to pick on Forest River for a hot second right here. I believe they call this the, Creative Breeze? The Creative Breeze. It's a max vent fan. Okay. It's a max vent. Call it whatever you want. It's a max vent fan. What does it do? It moves over a foot of air per second out of your coach. With that 60K BTU tankless water heater, hot shower all day. That's going to move the steam out. More importantly, it's going to help cool this coach down. You got the high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush. I got me some storage shelves here with hangers. But lifestyles of the rich and famous, this is the wow. You got to be wowed. Not only do I have a teak bench seat that folds up to get it out my way, but when I'm ready to shave my calves, I'm all day. I also got the square shower head and the body sprayers. Plus, you got the wand sprayer right here in a 48 by 30 single piece shower with the decorative beveling here, the LED lighting, and the crystal inlay on my shower light. This isn't really a shower so much as it is a spa. And then when all that's said and done, the cooking, the eating, the cleaning, the showering, where are you going to sleep? Let me show you. If Robin Leach could see me now, you probably notice this has an AC, your primary bedroom. Yes, it does. It also has a king-size bed and a slide, decorative headboard. You got the USB-C and A and the shelving, and you got little storage shelves here and all that, blah, blah, blah. You got 3 ACs in this bad boy. 3. Love it. And if you need to store even more stuff, because I'm going to tell you now, all those shelves and doors that I got in the kitchen, that's probably where my laundry is going to go. But hideaway, hidden storage right there. Chest of drawers here. LED underlighting for some safety and security at night. Nice little night light. Got the smart TV up above. And underneath my king-size bed, strut-supported storage that goes almost all the way up to the top. And you also have the upgraded mattress in your Cedar Creeks as well. But that's not all you get in your bedroom. Let me show you. I mean, who's the richest celebrity right now? Like Pedro Pascal? Is that? So anyway, so the rest of your bedroom features, you remember that AC I talked about? Yeah. You also got your own little private heater in here as well. Temperature controlled, the fan works great. It's not that loud. So if you're like, you know what, hon, I don't really want to cut on and waste the propane for the heat. Let's get us some electric heat going up here, just the bedroom, because it's just us. Voila. Then I have my mirrored wardrobe with, you got your own little handy dandy vacuum. You got more of that walnut finish in your main closet here in the front with the ward bar. Plus, I am washer dryer prepped over here on the campsite. And you also got a little step up here, which quite frankly doubles as a great spot for all your Air Force Ones. Wow. Wow. Just wow. The whole thing is wow. But we're not done. We still got to see the outside. Now, the outside of your Forest River Cedar Creek 395 WOW is highlighted by an enclosed underbelly, sweet new hitch, and the type of construction I'll talk about here in just a second, not to mention a gorgeous awning and tons of storage. Now, right away, right up front, you're going to see 2 things. This gorgeous front cap and that Kurt Air Ride 21,000-pound hitch. This beauty does a great job of absorbing that shock when going down the road. So you won't get a lot of that, I like to say chucking and bucking, but a lot of that bouncing and moving with this bad boy. And underneath, take a look at this. That is even more space. So if you didn't have enough storage on the inside and you still need more space, A, we need to put you on hoarders. B, you got the room right there. Plus, you got room right here. And this is a couples coach, Ernie. Got the lights. I got the diamond plating down there. I even have a little pegboard right here. So if I need to hang some tools or anything, I absolutely can. But right here is going to be a really good shot of their 16-inch on-center aluminum superstructure that they use to make this coach. Add that to the fact that you have a true gel coat coating on your fiberglass exterior, and this is actually 3M bonded, which is a special type of bonding that is resistant to oils, gases, moistures, road debris. It actually gets stronger the longer it's there, so that's a very nice little feature to have. You got your twin LP tanks right here. 6-point hydraulic leveling on this bad boy. I got the beautiful awning with the LED light strip there. Power, spray port if I need me some external shower. Solid step over steps leading me into my tempered glass door. And I like how this one has the safety rail on it as well. Plus you had the extended door handle. And the slides, you'll notice, have toppers, as well as this is also a very special frameless window. 80% tint on there, reinforced. Very nice little feature. Come around to the rear, and this is where you'll see, now this thing is 101 inches wide. It's a full profile fifth wheel, so she's going to be tall, but you'll see your backup camera prep right there, ladder prep, and of course your rain nozzles and the arch ceilings that help keep all the moisture off the top of this coach. Right here is going to be my dumps, or at least one of them. And this coach has, get this, you got a 75-gallon fresh tank, 123-gallon gray tank, and 41-gallon black tank. With the solar package this has on it, whether it's the 200 or the 400, those are nice capacities to have if you decide to go off the road. My other termination right here, one of my 6-point hydraulics, and this might be a better shot over here of the Cooper tires that we have. Upgraded tires on 8,000-pound axles on this bad boy. And this beauty, you might be able to see the berth that's in between the axles. That's going to help with that shaking while going down the road. It's just going to give you a little bit smoother of a tow. The back of your 60K BTU tankless water heater, don't mind that. That's my battery. Easy, 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 and wow. That's what I like about what Cedar Creek has done. They've given you an easy reel for your power cord, so you don't even really have to wind it up. You literally just flip the switch and it'll pull it up for you. Also, your external command center is right here. This is where you can see your shower with the hot and cold, as well as your black tank flush, all your dump controls, your hydraulic controls as well, plus your cable connections, your satellite connections, another spray port, and this is also lockable behind that door. And right here is going to be your battery box, which I got to tell you, I like how they moved it from the front to the side because it's a little bit easier to access. I got my hydraulic controls if I need to get to them. I got my manual overrides there as well. But the fact that that's vented and away from the front means I have more storage and it's a little bit easier to access versus getting under the front cap and trying to get down there and work. Plus, when you're ready to level, you got your one-touch automatic leveling right there. And of course, the info panel, which lets you know everything you need to know about this coach. Probably the most important thing you want to look at when going through an RV. You even have this, and I walked right by it, but I wanted to point it out. Side turn signals. Something so just awesome to have, because if you're thinking about it, this coach is 43 feet long, dude. So if you're going down the road and you're going to turn a lane and somebody's not behind you or in front of you, they're not going to know if you're turning. Having that, just a little additional safety feature, plus the tire pressure monitoring, the 3M bonding, the Kurt hitch, the accessibility panels underneath, if you do need to get under there, it's a great coach. And for the couple that wants to live the lifestyle of the rich and famous without actually having to be rich and famous, AKA you're like me, got the Belvedere taste on a Burnett's budget, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. This is the coach for you. But leave me some comments down below. Let me know, what did you think of the Cedar Creek 395? Wow, where are you going to take it? What adventures are you going to have? Do you own an Ascot? Probably not if you're watching me. But if you do, leave me a comment down below anyway. And hit like, subscribe, and notify too. And if somebody could let me hold $1, I'd appreciate it.